Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock.
My name is Phil Lally. I'm the product service manager for Whirlpool for the dish category, and today we're going to cover the new installation of a new model line we've got out that's going to launch in February of 2020. It's a new design dishwasher from the ground up, so there are some installation differences from what you're used to in the past. We're going to cover a KDPM 804 model today. So once you've got the literature out, you might want to review on the installment requirements tools and parts page. There's tools that you may need to install it, and some accessories such as a water supply line, an elbow fitting. If you buy a water supply line kit, it comes with the elbow fitting. Or if you're not replacing the water line, you still need to purchase a 3/4 inch to 3/8 inch elbow fitting to connect your old water supply to the dishwasher. Drain hose is supplied with the dishwasher. You also need a power cord. Now this model line has two new power cords as accessories. We've gone away from the old wire nuts in the terminal box to an actual terminal with screws. So the difference in the power cords on the end, on the green, the black and white, there's actually eyelets on it that you're going to put a screw through it into a terminal box rather than the old style wire nuts. So the customer or the installer will need to purchase or supply the dishwasher with the power cord. We have two model numbers or two part numbers. The only difference is the end. One has a straight plug and one has a right angle 90-degree plug.